27th. The scene that stands out the most is the bedroom scene. I'm with Allie from Allie's Tarot. And I'm stroking her hand. I'm going like this to her. And just stroking her, and I'm happy to see her. And I'm wanting to embrace her, wanting to just embrace her. That was the feeling. I wanted to embrace her and hang out with her and connect with her and just like it just felt good to embrace her and hold her. And I know what it means. Allie's a Leo. She's a Leo. I'm supposed to, and that's, I have my 10th house, my life's work, my North Node. My North Node's in the 10th house and it's in Leo. So I know what it meant. I start embracing the Leo energy again. I start embracing it. The Leo to be seen. To be seen, my love's work. Cause yeah. And the other scene that stands out is that there is excuse me. That's the scene that stands out the most. But the other scenes have to do with business. I'm at a business location. And trying to open it up. And the alarm code. I have a business partner, but she keeps forgetting stuff. And she has the code. And I'm trying to open up this office. Open up the office. Without setting off the alarm, and I'm just like, we're waiting for her to remember the alarm. And she says, I already did it, but she didn't. So then I go in and have to punch in the information so that the alarm doesn't go off. It's like I'm needing to take charge. What else? What other scenes? There's a scene where some roads are flooded. There's some roads that are I'm needing to go somewhere. There's traveling. I'm needing to travel somewhere, and the roads are not safe. They're challenging. They're challenging roads. And people are trying to navigate them, but it's like they're kind of they're falling apart. But people are still trying to get through them. And I'm not going on that road. Like I see it on the side. I'm on this other road and it's straight. And the other roads that I'm seeing are just like they're inundated. They're more challenging, and I'm seeing it. And I'm just seeing it, but I'm on the firm road. I'm on the road, the sturdy road. And then the other one is all going like this. And it's like falling into the ground, and there's mud and people are trying to get through it, and I'm just like watching them. I'm on the straight and sturdy road, and I'm like why are they struggling? Why are they on that road? Why don't they go on this road? I remember thinking that in the dream. There's another dream. There's another part. That's funny. Just like, well, why are they struggling when they could just be on this one? What's the other one? What's the other one? The other scene. There were a lot of scenes. But those are the ones that stand out. Well, as I'm talking, there's other ones that are popping up. Other memories of them. One of them is I'm on a parking lot. And it's dark. It's dark. I'm having to I want to leave. I think this was the scene before I got to Alley. We're in the parking lot, and I want to leave to get to Alley. That's what it is. I'm in the parking lot, or I'm somewhere else, home, and but it's dark, and my mom's like, it's too dark. And I'm just like, I don't care. Like, I can travel in the dark. And I wanted to go see Allie from Allie's Tarot. I'm like, I don't care. I can travel in the dark. And she was just like, Ayubitsa. Man, she just wanted me to let her know when I got there safely. That's funny. There was an element, there was this feeling of being younger, like high school again. In those scenes, before I got to Allie, there were elements of just being younger, and my parents were there. That's so funny, my parents were there, and there was this feeling like they were trying to understand. So I guess I think I mentioned that I was trying to record and kind of figure out how to do those videos, and just struggling with the struggling with how how to record myself providing these how-to videos. I was struggling with that because it felt like so formal and so very like scripted. I actually wrote out what I was gonna say, and it just felt like I'm just like it felt very like not me. And I think I mentioned it that when I was meditating, I'm feeling more of the vibration. Like I could feel myself like moving. And then I stop, like like I can do yes or no questions, and I could feel my own body just kind of telling me, because I'm being more in tune with my body. And so that's been helpful. In terms of like yes or no questions, in terms of the guidance, it's similar to that pendulum thing that I mentioned before, but it's just cool that I can feel my own vibration. I can feel my own vibration, and it's more apparent when I'm meditating. I didn't record that a couple days ago, or maybe it was yesterday. I saw the waves again, which were nice. Or maybe I did record, or it was more of the embrace. It was, yeah, I think I did record on it. I'm wondering if I had this dream because it's time for me to because I haven't been focusing in on it. I've been just focusing on school. Oh, I need to finish my homework for today. School and work. I'm getting more and more clients. Well, no, I mean, I'm getting clients, but it's because some of my old clients are like, MIA. Not responding, so I'm like, oh, okay. So I'm just, yeah. So that's kind of what I've been focusing on. But I wonder if I had this dream to refocus, right, my attention on that next chapter. Because yesterday I got the notification that my business license came through. Yay! I'm officially an LLC. So I thought that was cool. So I think that was the sign in my dream that I need to start working on that again. And just kind of finish that process, because I guess there's like some statement I need to turn in, or I don't know. But that was my dream. At least I can remember. It was nice to just do this to Allie and just embrace her. It felt good. Okay, I'm done. I wanna a 6. My next client isn't until 12. I can do my homework, but I'm probably gonna go back to sleep for a little bit. Okay, bye. Hi. My name is Yubi, and in case you haven't figured it out, this footage is capturing my experience as I learn to navigate my personal spiritual awakening. I am learning that this experience is unique to each one of us, in whatever way we believe we are embracing living our truth. This just happens to be my journey. And despite me having a graduate degree and a license in clinical social work, this by no means is intended to replace any type of mental health advice. This is just me on a personal level, documenting my experience, shedding light on the truth that I am learning and discovering for myself, and really inviting you along for the ride. If by some magical chance you find this content to be helpful in any way, shape, or form, please click the like button, share the message, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have an Instagram account, a personal one, and one specifically for this channel that you're more than welcome to check out. I'm an open book. I have also created t-shirt designs. I'm wearing my favorite one right now, which is the North Node.
design, but I have that and other things that you can look at inspired by this process and journey, and I have the link in the description box as well as in the about section of my YouTube channel. So you're more than welcome to check those items out. Any type of support is, great. Again, if you find this content really helpful or meaningful, sometimes when we take that step and be vulnerable, with showing what's inside our hearts and what's really our truth, we realize that we're much more connected than what we thought we were. And so I hope that as I'm living this experience, and that you find some type of truth for yourself, or find some type of ability to heal in some way just by relating, just by knowing that you're not alone. That really has been my goal with this process, not just being able to connect with others, but really for my own healing. It's definitely been a therapeutic experience and a very creative one for myself. So I thank you, and I wish you all the best, and we'll see what else comes next for me. So